very welcome to the presentation of book Swedes and Dutch were made for each other. It is for me a particular pleasure to be here and to see this book presented today, because in my ambassadorship, I've been here now 3.5 years, I hear many stories, many different aspects, many angles on Sweden and the Netherlands now and throughout the history. And I think it's a very rewarding experience for me that we have been able to do this. Of course, it has not been possible to have all the stories in there, all the aspects, all the different angles, but some of them are in there, and it makes for a very good read. So I will now ask the editor, Professor Järner, to introduce the book.
I hope that you will enjoy the book, and also I will start by presenting it to your majesties.